you ever wondered why hydrangeas seem to change colors depending on where you travel, or why identical twins are not so identical? Well, epigenetics holds all the answers. Hello, my name is Marissa, and ever since learning about epigenetics in my biology class, I've been fascinated with this topic, not only because it holds the key for understanding our natural world, but also holds the key to a whole new world of science. In 2016, Gayon published the formal definition of epigenetics, stating that epigenetics is the study of modifications that directly affect the expression of genes, but are not reducible to changes in the DNA sequence. In simple terms, this means that organisms will look completely different, but have the exact same DNA. They're simply being changed due to their environment. Now, as cool as this sounds and as many applications as it has in the real world, it has even more behind lab coats and in a lab. At an unknown date, Dr. Dutta and her team of scientists stated that, in cancer research, epigenetics is vital in early-stage cancer diagnoses, cancer type detection, and novel therapeutic design. When someone has cancer, the cells in their body are dividing uncontrollably and at a rate the body can't control. Doctors have a hard time detecting this early, but what is not hard to detect is the way that a patient might always feel sick, or the way that they can't eat because they're always nauseous, or the way that they never feel rested even when they get way more sleep than needed. By making a list of these symptoms and taking them seriously, we could use the epigenetic relationship that cancer has with our body to detect cancer earlier, decreasing the risk of terminal diagnoses and overall decreasing cancer's impact as a whole. Now, this topic of epigenetics holds pursuits in cancer, but also holds pursuits in our real life. Frontiers in Nutrition stated that lifestyle elements such as diet, exercise, mindfulness, and environmental exposure play crucial roles. This was in regards to epigenetics and the impact that the environment has on our genes. So essentially, if we eat a good diet, spend time with our loved ones outside, and live a healthier life, exercise more, all the things that we should be doing anyway and that we all aspire to do in our lives, we will have a decreased risk of diseases, all thanks to the role that epigenetics plays in our everyday lives in keeping us safe or making us more prone to disease. Today we have explored the multifaceted gem of epigenetics and the vast pursuits it has not only in the lab, but the vast opportunities it has in making our lives improve for the better or for the worse, depending on the way we treat the epigenetic mechanisms in our everyday world. Next time you think about the plant in your neighbor's garden, I want you to think about epigenetics and how it's not just changing you, me, or that plant. I want you to think about how it's silently changing the world around us every single day in ways we could never imagine, and how it might be the key for changing the world and you.